Okay, so the silicone has dried and it's not perfect. It's not perfect, but it'll do. And it's pretty flat. So I'm gonna take some paint. Actually, what I want to do is I don't want to spray the whole thing. Hold on. Just tore out a hole from a piece of paper so it just doesn't. Yeah, it's going to get a little bit, but. And I got nice pretty fingernails, but done. All right, well, another neat little tool I picked up is cobalt. It's like a 3-in-1. Now I use this type of flat blade, razor blade, a lot in cutting coax and stuff in my line of work. But it also has a regular knife on it, which comes in handy as well, and a neat little saw. And this little saw, plus it could be used as a ninja weapon. Sounded good. Oops. And the neat little saw cuts pretty darn good. Okay, let's wire up this outlet. Alright, let's wire up the outlet. Not going to be able to make a full turn around it, but a partial one is better than nothing, I think. You get the black, the positive, or the hot on one side by itself. Neutral. Ground. Say, since there's metal behind it and to the side of it, I'd rather be safe and tape it up. Now that I got that down, put the bottom screw in. What I'm going to do is 2 bottom screws. Okay. Then put me a little block at the top. There we go. That shouldn't go anywhere. That's what it looks like. I broke off some of the screws that were the screws that I put this box in. I broke off the ends so they didn't stab into the wire. Make sure nothing else is going to stab into the wire and short it out. Fill it full of insulation. And then, yeah. See if I can get this put in. Now, I know these are my incoming. These are going to be my outgoing. Get all these stripped. So let's go ahead and nail these down first, I guess. None of this stuff is hot. Everything's unplugged, no power plugged in. I don't know what you can see or can't see, but we got the 2 power lugs up here. These are 2 hots are going to go here for one breaker and one for the other. Your neutrals and grounds are all going to lay down here. So I'm going to take the yellow one, which is the original, and put it on the right side. Maybe that'll make my junction weaker. I don't know. Oh, that's neutral. Woo. Good and tight. Let's go to the next hot, which is a lot fatter cable. Okay, so the 2 hots are done. I can kind of push that like that. Got the ground lug in there, so now I gotta wrap my grounds around that. Let's see here. Breakers. Alright, so basically here's your incoming. The breaker's got a little metal clamp that slides over a little post here, and that's your incoming positive. There's a screw on the bottom of the breaker where your outgoing positive goes to, and your neutrals go to the side, and all your grounds will go over here. So I got the yellow on the right side, so all my yellows need to go over here, and I got the big orange on the left side, so my big orange is going to go over there. Okay, so I got all on behind the screw. It's ran in. Now I got to work on the others. Okay. These are nailed down on the bottom. That one's nailed down on the bottom. All the neutrals are on the side. Neutral from incoming 1, neutral from incoming 2. Hot 1, hot 2. And now, cover only comes, oh, sorry. Cover only comes with 1 slot knocked out. So we'll knock the other one out. That's why they call it a knockout. Make sure I'm not going to hit any wires when I screw this in. I've got plenty of room. There we go. Moment of truth. Alright, so I'm plugged into the first one. See what happens. Hey, we got lights. Okay, so that one works. Okay. I guess I'll have to hook something up to it. Both on. This fan seems like a good place thing to plug into. Oh. That feels so good. Okay, well, power's done, breaker's in, outside unit's plugged up, everything's good to go. Now I've got to remodel the inside and put it all back together. Electrical's done. Thanks for watching.